Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can link your TV provider to Fox One to activate the Fox One subscription with an account. So what we want to do from Fox.com, and I'll link this page down in the description for you to check out through that link. But what we want to do from here is go to the upper right-hand corner and click on where it says TV provider. Then from there, what you want to do is select your particular TV provider so that you can link this up. So for this example, I'm going to use Spectrum, so I'm going to select that option right here. Then you're going to need to log in to your TV provider, so enter in the information from that and sign in. After successfully logging in with your provider, it wants you to confirm your zip code, so you can do that and click confirm. And then from here, to link up this provider with your account, what you want to do is head into the upper right-hand corner, click on the little profile icon, and then click settings. Then enter in the email that you want associated with your Fox One account that's going to be linked up to your provider. Then enter in a password that you want associated with this account and sign in. You should be all set up and good to go after that. If you ever want to check on your profile account information, of course, you can always go back up here to the upper right-hand corner and click on settings. And from this page, it'll show you the provider that you're linked up with in this area. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful on how to link up Fox One to your TV provider and how you can set this up through an account with Fox One. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing for more content in the future.